What's up guys? The best benchtop mortiser is an alternative that performs similarly to the best benchtop mortiser, but that you can transport while working to make rapid, precise cuts when needed. We examine the best benchtop mortiser to see how well they function and how safe they are for deers, because they are still rather new, having entered the market only a decade or two ago. There are many products available to choose from the best benchtop mortiser, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best benchtop mortiser from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump. Number 5. Power Tools Benchtop XY Mortiser. Riken is one of the well-known brands offering a wide range of woodworking tools that are suitable for both D to heavy-duty applications. They manufacture economical, consistent, and high-quality products. This Riken Professional 34 to 260 Benchtop XY Mortiser has a sliding XY axis table that allows for boring mortises by positioning your work precisely. It is equipped with a powerful 0.5 HP motor, delivering up to 1750 RPM, so it handles and cuts mortises, even the heavy-duty tasks and the toughest of the woods, without stalling. It has a spacious chuck that accommodates sizes of 5/8 inch or 3/4 inch of chisel bits, making it a versatile bench mortisers. It provides constant, solid cutting of numerous mortises, with a dovetail column having an adjustable stop. With its gas-filled stabilizer, the device controls the upward and downward chisel motion while working to make you feel safe. Furthermore, this XY directional table with adjustable side-side or forward-back and dual dovetail ways. It is a drill press type machine designed to cut accurate mortises for doors, furniture, shutters, cabinetry, etc. Also, it includes a fence, 2 extensions, a tool holder, a hold down, and 4 chisels. Along with this tool, it comes with a 5-year warranty from the original date of purchase. The positive side of this product: handles even the toughest wood materials, easy to operate that won't cause collisions, offer decent performance with a 120V motor, safe to operate with a lot of adjustable options. The negatives. Number 4. 1104L 10.5 amp chain mortiser. Makita is one of the more premium and high-end power tool brands out there that is known for making expensive options. Its mortiser is also on the expensive side due to the higher price. The Makita 7104L benchtop mortiser is the most expensive option present in this article. Even though this is a premium model, it is neither the most powerful nor the most feature-rich option. In other words, if you want a better value for money, you should look elsewhere. It comes with a 10.5 amp electric motor that is quite powerful and offers a 1 HP power output. This power gets used to power its 1/2 HP chuck at a high speed, thanks to its 3200 RPM electric motor. This benchtop mortiser weighs 38.1 pounds and can be handy for transporting it from one place to another. It has this weight while having a great build quality that is always great to have. Unfortunately, it only has a 1-year-long warranty, which is a letdown for the given price tag. High accuracy. You can also find a large adjustable vise and knob in it for easily holding logs. The positive side of this product: one of the only portable options, easy to use design with minimal controls, decent performance with the 10.5 amp electric motor. The negative side of this product: highly expensive and not a value for money option. Number 3. W1671 and 3/4 HP heavy duty. ShopFox is a subsidiary of Woodstock International that specializes in manufacturing small machinery for D and commercial applications. ShopFox's bench mortiser runs on a 3/4 HP motor to deliver a steady speed of up to 3450 RPM. With this speed, you can easily power through a wide range of hard and softwood. The motor has an aluminum finned housing along with a fan-cooled system to prevent it from overheating. The mortiser features a unique swiveling base that allows easy off-the-bench operations. The bench mortiser is equipped with a 1/2 inch drill chuck that provides precision and eliminates the need to change chisels and bits. Besides, the extra height allows you to use stock up to 7 inch thick. It is equipped with a heavy-duty fence to ensure the woodwork piece is stable and does not wobble. There is also an adjustable extra-long 22-inch steel handle with 6 different indexed positions for providing leverage while working. ShopFox backs this bench mortiser with a 2-year warranty from the original date of purchase. The positive side of this product: powerful and heavy-duty option. High accuracy, easy and safe to use, lots of adjustable options. The negative side of this product: poor quality control. Poor customer service. Number 2. 101 Benchtop Mortiser. Bench Mortiser from the brand Powermatic has a powerful motor that runs at a speed of 1725 RPM with a voltage of 115 volts. Although it is a heavy tool weighing 90 pounds, it is a pretty decent tool with many sophisticated features. The machine comes with an inline depth stop feature that stops it at depths that are preset, avoiding racking to the base. It also features a double lock system that holds a workpiece of 0 to 5 inches thick firmly from the top and from the side to avoid slippage. The Mortiser features a heavy-duty handle that has reversible action, which means you can change it from one side to another effortlessly, without having to use any tools. Furthermore, it is designed to have great stability as well as accuracy, with work surfaces that are larger than usual on the table and the fence. The positive side of this product is easy to handle, comfortable to use, reliable warranty, sturdy build. The negative side of this product, table and fence finishing is not up to the mark. Number 1. Jet is one of the most popular options out there if you are looking for a benchtop mortiser. As this model comes with a high user rating, the Jet Bench Mortiser is present in the first position in this article, as it is the most reliable and durable option present in this article. This is due to the reason that you get an excellent build quality in it along with a 5-year-long warranty. It can offer this without being highly expensive or paying an extra premium for this. It uses rugged cast iron and steel for its construction, which should easily last for a long time. However, due to its construction, it weighs about 44 pounds, which is a bit on the higher side. You get a 1/2 HP electric motor in this benchtop mortiser that runs using 120-volt electricity input. It is able to offer a motor speed rating of 1752 RPM, which is quite decent when compared with other options out there. Its 1/2 inch chisel capacity is also quite great for woodworking. As for the headstroke, it is rated at 4 3/4 inch, which should be more than enough for most users out there. The positive side of this product, highly reliable and durable construction with a 5-year warranty, offers a decently powerful 1/2 HP electric motor, comes included with 3 bits and a chuck key. The negative side of this product, slightly heavy with a large form factor. The motor could have been more silent. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.